You have a printer, server, or application that needs to send email but can't use modern authentication. In this video, I will show you how to fix that using an SMTP relay connector in Microsoft 365. Many devices and applications in a company still need to send emails. For example, printers, scanners, monitoring tool, and so forth. The problem is that many of these systems cannot use modern authenticator to send email. So how do we allow them to send email securely through our organization email system? In this video, I will show you how to configure an SMTP relay using Microsoft 365 connector. This allows servers and applications to send email through Exchange Online using only port 25. You do not need email, password, or any authenticator stuff. All right, we'll go step by step. First, we will create the connector in the Exchange Admin Center. Then we will configure the SMTP settings and the sending server, and finally we will test the mail flow from a remote server. So let me show you how we can do it. First of all, when you get your Microsoft account, which is the mail account, you go to the admin section. All right, so when we go to the app, we will find the admin section here. All right, you will see the admin. If it's in your language, you should actually look at the logo, the picture being the icon being added to it. Click on it, and then it will load. Right, when it's done loading, you see this dot 3 down here. Click on it. You should find the exchange here. Is in English. Whatever you are, you will see it there. It is not in every account, so you need to subscribe to the exchange account. All right, so when you click on this exchange, okay, you will be directed to this exchange dashboard. That is where we will set up the whole connector stuff. All right, so you will see a mail flow here. This mail flow, click on it, go down to the connectors. You are going to see it down. That's where my mouse is pointing. Click on the connectors. All right, then you appear in this dashboard. So before we continue next, since we are actually going to send email and we do not need password, what we need here is we need a VPS that has open port 25. All right, so how do we get open port 25? I have one site I normally buy, RDP, that has open port 25. So let's go there. Click on this. I actually have put the site down, and you will find the link in this video description. Use it. All right, so open it, go next here and put the site. All right, so when you come to this site, go to VPS, click on the VPS, go to Windows Managed. Don't go for Windows Unmanaged, go for Windows Managed. Click on it, scroll down and get something from 6 or 8 gig is still cool, or 12 from, you can select from here because you do not need something that is slow. So select this one for CPU 150 gig and for $67. Click on this one and you can order it, set up a name and stuff, and it's a window and it's being managed. All right, and they allow open port 25. All right, so you purchase the open port 25 RDP, you will see a dashboard where you will see your email, password, and the IP. So when you have your RDP ready, you come to the connector, click on add a connector. This add connector section, you will see new connectors. Specify your mail flow scenario and we will let you know if you need to set up a connector. So here you go for organizations email server, click on it and click next. So here you can put any name you want. I would put SMTP relay. All right, and click on next. So in this section, since we are using VPS, which is RDP, we are going to click by verifying the IP address. Click on this one. Then when you come to this section, this very section, that is where you add the RDP IP address you got from this host wins. All right, so here you are going to add the RDP IP. So imagine, for example, the IP is 123.12 let's say 20 and point 2.3. Okay, let's say this is the RDP IP. Click on add. It should be added here. All right, click on next and then create connector here. If I click on create, you know the IP added is not original IP here. All right, so if I create connector, it should be, you can see one that I already have added here. You will find it below this one. So when we're done adding the IP, what else do we need to do? We log into the very new RDP we set up. We open our sender or whatever you are using to send your email. All right, if you don't have anyone, below this video description you will see a Telegram link. Join it. You will find where we drop some tools for you to send email. So click on, when you click on the tool, what you need is the SMTP setting, which is the mail flow. So for this very one, for this site, let me just copy, this is the domain. So if I go to mx2box.com, if I put this domain and remove this art and look up the mx lookup, okay, this host name is going to be our SMTP host, and that is what we are going to add to the connector. So if you have any domain, you should put it here, or you can use a telnet to shake, and it's going to give you your own host name. Or if you already have it in mind, this is the configuration. Just your domain, put a center score and add this .mail.protection.outlook.com. Then your port should be port 25. Do you need authenticator? No. Do you need SSL, TLS? No. Do you need username? No. Do you need password? No. But for your the send from address, you need to add your domain. For example, I will add this one if I'm gonna be sending from. All right, and that is where it matters. You can actually edit it to something else and it's still going to go. And that is how you send email from SMTP connector, Office 365 mail connectors. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and turn on your notification button in case I drop something new that you might like. All right, bye and peace.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down